Hey y'all, so today I'm shooting a commercial for 7th Generation and the campaign is called Don't Do Extra. But do they know who I am? Let's go film, y'all. I'm not afraid to admit it. I can be a little extra. But doing the dishes, I like to keep that simple. 7th Generation's bio-based power cuts through the toughest grease so I can clean my dishes and then get back to literally anything else. Okay. Oh, that's good. We love that. Do y'all see that? Now that's clean. Yes, that is fabulous. And look at my nails. Still flawless. With 7th Generation, there's no scrubbing like it's arm day. No rewashing 2 or 3 times. Just a powerful clean that gets the job done and leaves nothing behind. Be extra when you want to be. Don't do extra where it doesn't belong.
And cut.
Whew, these earrings are doing the most. But this, clean and simple. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. 7th Generation, a powerful clean without anything extra.